Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Dr. Mubashira and today I want to talk about monkeypox. Coronavirus pandemic has shown us that how quickly a virus can spread and transmit. Recently there is a lot talk about monkeypox and the potential outbreak. Since 2022, dozens of cases have appeared around the globe. So let's discuss about the structure of monkeypox virus. It is a DNA virus which contains outer membrane of intracellular and extracellular virions, outer envelope of extracellular virions, surface tubules, lateral bodies, core membrane, core fibrils, palisade layer, and nucleoprotein complex. Again, the same thing, that is the structure of monkeypox virus contains outer and inner membrane, DNA genome because it is a DNA virus, lateral body, core, protein spikes, palisade layer, and core fibrils. Monkeypox virus is a family of orthopox virus, that is the same virus which also causes smallpox. It is a zoonotic disease because it will transmit from animals to human beings, and it was first discovered in 1958 in the monkeys. It later on started affected people of Central Africa in 1970s, and since 2022 dozens of cases have appeared around the globe. It transmits from animals to human beings. Monkeypox virus is the same virus which causes smallpox. It is a family of orthopox virus, but monkeypox virus is less severe than smallpox. How do humans get affected? Usually, there are two routes of transmission, that is, either by direct human to animal contact, that is, by coming in contact directly with the animals, or eating undercooked meat of infected animals. And the second route of transmission is by direct human to human contact, that is, by direct contact with infected person from body fluids by touching their clothes, bedding, or towels. The signs and symptoms of monkeypox are high grade fever, rigors, chills, intense headache, backache, muscle aches, generalized arthralgias and myalgias, swollen lymph nodes, exhaustion, fatigue, and lethargy, or rash on the face, hands, and legs. It can affect children, pregnant women, and those with weakened immune system. Skin eruptions start appearing after 2 to 3 days. These are fluid bumps. It lasts for 2 to 4 weeks before it starts to go away. Such person should be isolated to stop the spread of monkeypox. But some people can develop serious illness such as secondary infections, sepsis, and pneumonia. Now the difference between monkeypox and COVID-19. The causative agent in monkeypox is monkeypox virus. Year of discovery was 1958 and it contains double stranded DNA. That's why the chances of mutations are less likely. The variants and genotypes of monkeypox are that it contains two clades, and the primary route of transmission is by direct prolonged contact with monkeypox rash, scabs, or body fluids from the infected person. And the potential animal reservoirs include monkeys, rodents, and other small mammals. However, in case of COVID-19, the causative agent is SARS-CoV-2 virus, and the year of discovery was 2019. COVID-19 virus is an RNA virus. It contains single-stranded RNA genome. That's why the mutations were highly likely. And the variants and genotypes in case of COVID-19 are 27 clades. And the primary route of transmission was respiratory droplets, and the potential animal reservoirs in case of COVID-19 were bats, pangolins, and minks. The treatment of monkeypox is spontaneous recovery, isolation, and supportive treatment. The supportive care basically includes antibiotics for superadded infection, oxygen, IV fluids or oral fluids, and close monitoring and observation. Medications which can be used to treat more severe cases of monkeypox virus include tecovirimat and brincidofovir. The vaccination for prevention of monkeypox is the same vaccine, that is smallpox vaccine, which protects the monkeypox in 85% of the cases. And the prognosis of monkeypox according to WHO, the infection is fatal in only about 3 to 6% of the cases. The conclusion is stay safe. Stay away from the person who is suffering from monkeypox and isolation. Thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.